Well, hello there my dear friends, welcome back to the Scott Ree Project. Where have you been? Well, I haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks. Two reasons. One, I moved house, but the second reason is I have been working on my second book. Very exciting times. So some of you may or may not have a copy of my first book, Ahead of the Game, The Catcher in the Ree, all about rabbits. One of the fastest selling books the publisher's done. Very cool. So he come to me, he said, Scott, would you like to do another book? And I thought, definitely. And I wanted it to be about venison. Now, a lot of my videos on YouTube are about preparing venison. They are so loved. A lot of people watch them. The views are in their millions. So I was thinking if I could transfer what those videos were about onto the page, really detailed, then I think we would be onto a winner. And to be honest with you, it's looking amazing. We took 4,000 photographs. And when I'm talking detailed, I mean detailed. My idea is you take this book out to your shed, your garage, your cutting room, open it, and at the end of it, you will have a beautiful pile of venison. So with the first book, again, on social media, we threw it out there. Anybody come up with a title? Someone come up with The Catcher in the Ree. Very cool. So this time they came up with The Merchant of Venison. I absolutely love it. And I've written over 40 amazing, doable recipes. The food photography in it is just mind-blowing. And I hand-wrote all these recipes, so there'll be a few handwritten notes in the book. But also, it's going to show the whole process from field to fork. There's a great section in there on equipment, the history of venison for the table, and so on and so forth. So, the book is available for pre-order. The link will be up in the description. So go and check it, awayWithMedia.com, and I will put the link to take you directly to buying the book. Also, I've been working on new logo, as you'll see in this little bit of a video I've put together. Very cool as well. So yeah, I'm back. I've just been very busy working on my book. So I'm going to play you a little video just to show you how it's looking so far, and be sure to order your copy now, because like the rabbit book, they're selling really fast. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Okay then, just before I scarper then, the video you're going to watch, you'll see the rough design of my new logo. The new logo, something really cool, and then I will show you some fantastic pics from the book, little bits of the butchery section. Now, take no note of the words, they're just rough notes for me, which I have to rewrite. And also you'll see some of the way the recipes are laid out, and also some of the fantastic dishes. Right, I'm definitely going now. Take care.